Eagle. The eagle is a bird that has a large, powerful, and pointed beak. The eagle has an extraordinary vision. The eagle is a large bird. Condor. The condor is a large black bird with white feathers around its neck and on its wings. The condor is one of the largest birds in the world. The condor eats meat. Crow. The crow is a bird of black color. The crow usually lives 10 to 15 years. The crow's size is between 52 and 69 centimeters in length. Flamingo. The flamingo is a bird with long legs and a long neck. The flamingo is a pink bird. The flamingo flies with its legs and neck fully extended. Heron. The heron is a skinny and tall bird that eats fish. The heron lives in trees and lays its eggs there. The heron has a beautiful white plumage. Seagull. The seagull is a bird that usually lives near the sea. The seagull has black, gray, or white feathers. The seagull is a very intelligent bird. Hawk. The hawk is a bird that has thin, pointy wings. The hawk flies at extremely high speeds. The female hawk is larger than the male. Parrot. The parrot is a very intellectual bird. The parrot can imitate a human's voice. The parrot is green. Pelican. The pelican is a bird famous for its huge beak. The pelican eats fish. The pelican can fly for a long time, but it is difficult for it to move on land. Toucan. The toucan is a bird of black color with a beak of very bright colors. The toucan has a very long beak. The toucan has small, short wings. Seahorse. The male seahorse can have children. The seahorse is a type of fish with tough skin. The seahorse swims by keeping its body in a vertical position. Crab. The crab has many legs and 2 claws. The crab is a funny animal to look at, as it moves very quickly. The crab has a hard shell. Dolphin. The dolphin is a very intelligent and funny animal that lives in the sea. The dolphins can jump on the outside of the sea. The dolphin swims at high speeds. Swordfish. The swordfish is a large fish with a great tip on its head. The swordfish loses all of its teeth when it's an adult. The swordfish uses its tip to hunt in the sea. Starfish. The starfish is a strange animal that lives in the sea and is star-shaped. The starfish can be of different colors. The starfish looks like a plant, but it's an animal. Blowfish. The blowfish swells by drinking water or air when it's attacked. The blowfish is highly toxic to almost any animal that eats it. The blowfish is blue. Octopus. The octopus is an animal that lives in the sea and has 8 arms. The octopus has a very sticky skin. The octopus has 3 hearts. Stingray. Stingray. The stingray usually lives near the coast. The stingray tends to blend with the sand. Shark. The shark is a very big and strong animal that lives in the sea. The shark has a flap on top of it. The shark has many big and sharp teeth in his mouth. Sea turtle. The sea turtle has a hard shell. The sea turtle swims with its fins. The sea turtles can become very big. Fly. The fly is an insect that flies. and its eyes let him see in 360 degrees. The fly is an insect that lives between 15 and 25 days. The fly produces a very particular buzzing sound when moving its wings. Mosquito. The mosquito is an insect that feeds on the blood of other animals. When the mosquito attacks, it leaves your skin itching. The mosquito breeds in hot weather. Bee. The bee produces honey. The bee is a black and yellow insect. The bee lives in a community where there is always a queen. Ant. The ant is an insect that lives on land. The ant is an insect with 6 legs that can lift heavy leaves. The ant can live up to 2 weeks underwater. Grasshopper. The grasshopper is an insect from the family of the crickets. The grasshopper is an insect that jumps around. The grasshopper has wings that allow him to fly. Centipedes. The centipedes is an insect with many legs. They don't really have 100 feet, but 60. The centipede is a very long insect that moves slowly. Dragonfly. The dragonfly is a flying insect. The dragonfly has 2 pairs of strong, transparent wings. The dragonfly eats flies and mosquitoes. Cricket. The cricket is an insect that can jump long distances. The male cricket is an insect that can emit a strong song. The cricket sings more when the weather is hot. Beetle. The beetle is an insect with a hard shell. The beetle usually has wings to fly. The beetle has an antenna on its head. Spider. Spiders are 8-legged insects. The spiders weave their web to catch their food. Most spiders have 8 eyes.